Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel HZR Services. Today, in this video, we discuss what is digital marketing? An understanding of digital marketing. Now we start the video. Digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Digital advertising and marketing use the internet, cell devices, social media, search engines, and different channels to attain consumers. Some advertising specialists consider digital advertising to be an absolutely new exercise. That requires a new way of drawing near clients and new approaches of grasp how clients behave in contrast to traditional marketing. Key takeaways. Digital advertising is the use of the internet to attain consumers. Digital advertising is a vast field, which includes attracting clients with the aid of email, content material marketing, search platforms, social media, and more. Understanding of digital marketing. Digital advertising aims at a particular phase of the consumer base and is interactive. Digital advertising is on the upward thrust and consists of search end result ads, electronic mail ads, and promoted tweets. Whatever that accommodates advertising with purchaser comments or a two-way interplay between the agency and customer. Internet advertising and marketing differ from digital marketing. Internet advertising is marketing that is totally on the internet. Whereas digital advertising and marketing can take location via cellular devices, on a subway platform, in a video game, or with a smartphone app. In the parlance of digital marketing, advertisers are frequently referred to as sources, whilst the centered advertisements are generally referred to as receivers. Sources regularly goal particular, well-defined receivers. For example, after extending the late-night hours of many of its locations, McDonald's wanted to get the phrase out. It focused shift people and vacationers with digital advertisements because the business enterprise knew that these humans made up a massive section of its late-night business. McDonald's inspired them to download a new restaurant finder app, concentrated on them with advertisements positioned at ATMs and gasoline stations, as correctly as on websites that it knew its clients frequented at night. Website marketing. An internet site is the centerpiece of all digital advertising activities. Alone, it is a very effective channel. However, it's additionally the medium wanted to execute a range of online advertising and marketing campaigns. An internet site must symbolize a brand, product, and carrier clearly and memorably. It ought to be fast, mobile-friendly, and effortless to use. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. PPC marketing allows entrepreneurs to attain internet customers on a variety of digital structures via paid ads. Marketers can set up PPC campaigns on Google, Bing, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, or Facebook and exhibit their advertisements to humans looking out for phrases associated with the merchandise or services. PPC campaigns can section customers primarily based on their demographic traits, such as age or gender, or even goal their specific pursuits or location. The most famous PPC systems are Google Ads and Facebook Ads. Content marketing. The aim of content material advertising is to attain achievable clients via the use of content. Content is typically posted on an internet site and then promoted via social media, electronic mail marketing, SEO, or even PPC campaigns. The equipment of content material advertising encompasses blogs, ebooks, online courses, infographics, podcasts, and webinars. Email marketing. Email advertising is nevertheless one of the most high-quality digital advertising channels. Many humans confuse electronic mail advertising with junk mail electronic mail messages. However, that's no longer what electronic mail advertising and marketing is all about. Email advertising and marketing are the medium to contact your workable clients or the humans involved in your brand. Many digital entrepreneurs use all other digital advertising and marketing channels to add leads to their email lists, and then, via electronic mail marketing. They create client acquisition funnels to flip these leads into customers. Social media marketing. The primary goal of a social media advertising marketing campaign is manufacturer recognition and organizing social trust. As you go deeper into social media marketing, you can use it to get leads or even a direct income channel. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate advertising is one of the oldest marketing varieties, and the internet has delivered new lifestyles to this old standby. With affiliate marketing, influencers promote different people's merchandise and get a fee each time a sale is made or a lead is introduced. Many regular organizations like Amazon have affiliate applications that pay thousands and thousands of bucks per month to websites that promote their products. Video marketing. YouTube has ended up the 2D most famous search engine, and a lot of customers are turning to YouTube earlier than they do shopping for decision, to examine something, study a review, or simply to relax. There are several video advertising platforms, which includes Facebook videos, Instagram, or even TikTok to use to run a video advertising campaign. Companies locate the most success with video by integrating it with SEO, content material marketing, and broader social media advertising and marketing campaigns. SMS messaging. Companies and nonprofit agencies also use SMS or textual content messages to ship facts about their modern-day promotions or give inclined customers possibilities. Political candidates going for walks for the workplace additionally use SMS message campaigns to unfold remarkable facts about their personal platforms. As science has advanced, many text-to-give campaigns additionally allow clients to at once pay or provide by using a straightforward textual content message. Digital marketing challenges. Digital advertising and marketing pose unique challenges for its purveyors. Digital channels are proliferating rapidly, and digital entrepreneurs have to preserve up with how these channels work, how they're used using receivers, and how to use these channels to efficiently market their merchandise or services. Also, it is turning into extra tough to seize receivers' attention due to the fact receivers are an increasing number inundated with competing ads. Digital entrepreneurs additionally discover it challenging to analyze the tremendous troves of records they seize and then take advantage of these facts in new advertising efforts. Taking pictures and the usage of statistics correctly highlights that digital advertising requires a strategy to advertising primarily based on a deep perception of purchaser behavior. For example, it may require an agency to analyze new types of purchaser behavior, such as the use of internet site heat maps to analyze extra about the consumer journey. Thank you for all of you watching my video. If you like the video, then like the video and post a comment.